Exchanging currencies on the Forex market usually require a broker. When it comes to selecting a broker in Denmark, you need to find out what services they provide and whether they are suitable for your needs. While there are numerous brokers out there, only the best Forex brokers in Denmark can guide you to profit. In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding a broker that gives you the best deal for your trading needs and wants without breaking the bank. Best Forex brokers in Denmark list. There are many Forex brokers available in Denmark, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, FBS Markets, Blackbull Markets, XM, HF Markets, AXI, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Denmark, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. The Danish government has no problem with citizens trading Forex in the country. However, the country doesn't have any local Forex broker. Therefore, you should find an offshore broker for your convenience. The Danish Financial Supervisory Authority controls the financial market in the country. Nevertheless, they don't impose any laws for Forex trading using an offshore broker. So, you are responsible for finding the Denmark Forex trading brokers that offer legit services. For that, you may look at the Forex brokers list in Denmark in this video. The Forex markets have been around for decades and are one of the most exciting investments in the world. This is why they are also one of the most popular and widely traded markets, bringing in trillions of dollars on a yearly basis. At first, it can be overwhelming because there are many complications to trading this market. However, you can follow some simple tips, tricks, and steps to make it easier for yourself. Step 1. Set some goals first. Step 2. Use a free demo trading account first. Step 3. Know your market and the trends. Step 4. Take time to learn about what works best for you. Step 5. It's best to think about your strategy first before trading. Step 6. Be patient. Step 7. Don't trade too big. Step 8. Keep track of your earnings and losing. Step 9. Don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. And step 10. Go with your instincts. There are many factors that people of all ages need to consider when finding the best Forex brokers in Denmark. But you can just trade with the Denmark Forex brokers list to avoid the hassles. This video has discussed some tips and tricks to trade in Denmark. These factors provide information on what to watch out for and your needs.